With Simplified's visual library, it's never been easier to add eye-catching components to your graphics. Once you have your design, all you have to do is come over here to the left-hand toolbar and select the Visuals tab. Upon doing so, a menu will appear with a vast variety of graphics, images, and emojis to choose from via the outsourced libraries of Flaticon, as well as Noun Project. Not to mention Simplified's very own collection as well. And you can always narrow down your search by typing in the name or title of what you're looking for specifically. For this video, we are going to focus on the icons in Simplified's collection library. All you'll have to do from here is click on the icon you'd like to use, and it will immediately appear on your artboard, ready for you to adjust its size and placement. Should you change your mind, all you have to do is click on the element, then click Delete, and you can start from scratch. And there you have it. Adding eye-catching elements to your graphic design has never been easier thanks to Simplified's visual collection library. For more tips and tricks on ways to level up your digital marketing designs, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.